Hi, it's Amanda from the Educator Spin on It, and we've been hearing a lot about these red birds flying around, bzzzt, but you know, iPhones, iPads, computers, whatever it is, kids this age don't need screen time, they need playtime. So, instead of just handing them some computer device to play with, why not make your own finger puppets? Okay, the first thing you're going to need to do if you are a circle bird is to trace around the bottom of the baby food jar. I only trace around the baby food jar one time because I will flip it over and cut out 2 circles at the same time. When I'm done, I'll have 2 circles. And I'll need to cut out my accessories, like my eyes. And I'm going to put this on the bottom of my circle to be kind of like a mouth or the belly of the bird. His eyebrows is going to be the top of it, and his wings. Here are some eye choices. If you're going to choose a happy bird, you might want to choose something that is a little more curvy. If you're going to choose an angry bird, you could choose lines that are a little harsher, or even make the pupils of the eye pointing inwards. I'm going to assemble one of the sides, leaving the back circle without anything on it. And I'm just going to kind of play around with how I want my bird to look. Remember, this is your bird, your style, your way. You can kind of have it a little floppy. Now I like having a little tuft at the top and wings. And now I'm going to sew it. Okay, so I've just sewn some of the features on with the running stitch. Are you going to stitch it? It's not ready yet. Okay, I just finished sewing the pieces on with the straight stitch. You'll hopefully see them. The wings and the head I do not sew on, because I'm going to just stitch them in when I connect the front to the back. So I'm going to lay my pieces out. Here's the back piece. I'm going to lay a wing. Make sure your wing goes in so your stitch will catch it. A little feather tuft at the top. And then I'm going to set this down. And when I sew, I'm going to start right here. I'm going to sew in small tiny stitches all the way to right here. And I'll go back and forth on the edges because the finger will be coming up and I want that area to be reinforced. We are sewing our bird puppet together. Nicholas, you want to pull this up?
And I'm helping.
And I have a
big 5-year-old. And her name is Eliana.
My photographer has decided she would like to straight stitch the finger puppet instead of videotaping. Yep, she's making a bird. Back and forth. Yep, that's right, Nicholas.
Hello.